Good evening, friends. This is CA Shaurubh Ghosh from Stock Show Deck once more with you. Now, today I would like to discuss one stock, that's Biocon. Hope you are enjoying these stock show programs and the videos. There are a lot of learning from these videos. So I will basically show you how to really analyze a stock and then go ahead for the next week. Now we all know that pharma sector is very bullish, and therefore most of the stocks in the pharma sector should perform well. So I have picked up Biocon for a special reason. Number one, if you really use our stock show screener, it has actually given you a signal to buy, because this screener from other stocks has screened Centuries Textile, Sun Pharma and Biocon in 15 minutes, so that you can take a trade in the in on Monday. Depending on which side it goes, you have to analyze where the X candle comes. So let's speak about Biocon. Now Biocon as a stock, how will I review? Let's go to monthly. First of all, let us see how the pharma space is behaving. So if you go to CNX Pharma, so if you look at pharma sector is uh, actually positive. If you look at higher top high, this is a daily chart. Let's look at monthly. And in our another indicator, this is a custom indicator which actually gives you an ability to review the stocks. What is the daily, weekly and monthly? Purple color is the month, green color is the week, and the red color is the daily indicator of the position. So if you look at pharma sector, it's all higher top higher bottom, so therefore it is bullish, super bullish. And if you have a green shadow here, which means all the sectors are bearish. And you can also see in one single indicator that your monthly, weekly and daily are all up above 60, which is bullish. So therefore it gives you an additional ability to really trade in the running market. You don't have too much time, so therefore in the running market, if you know that all the sectors are bullish, all the time frames are bullish, so therefore I will buy when the stock comes around 40, which has basically come here at this level. And then this is the best place and cheapest price that you can buy. So let's move back to Biocon. We were discussing Biocon. Now if you look at Biocon, and if I double click on this is daily, weekly and monthly. Now on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame, you are seeing monthly is coming down, daily is also below 60, and daily, weekly is below 60 and daily is below 40. Daily is below 40, not below 40, it is around 43 taking support. And of course in the current time frame it's going up. So basically stock looks to be very exhausted. Why? My monthly is coming down, weekly is at 60, weekly is at 59, so it has just dropped below 60. So therefore stock is now looking exhausted, and it might come down. So pharma sector is going up, and there is a problem seriously with this company. Could be forget about COVID and other things. The indicator says that the stock has lost its momentum temporarily. it might so happen that the buying has started, so this is the best place to buy. So therefore on Monday we'll look at the behavior and pattern, and then we have to take the trade accordingly. Now if you look at Biocon monthly, we knew, let us move to Biocon again on the monthly chart. Okay, so it's taking a little bit of time. Yeah, so this is monthly chart. Let's clean this chart first. Now if you look at monthly, Biocon is actually was having a very good move of higher top higher bottom. But why is it that from this particular level the stock has actually reversed? Because this is basically it has reversed because of this. This is a bull trap. The stock has given a good rally, and at monthly scale, that when the stock has reached here at this place on 3rd of September on monthly basis, the stock can come down, can revolt. That is, the trend could be reversed at this level, and it has reversed from this level. So this is the magic of bull trap. So all the people, when this particular level crossed, people thought that Biocon is a super bullish, and at this level Biocon has formed a very big candle here, but it could not cross, and then on the next day it has crossed. So crossing merely does not mean that it is bullish. It could be a trap, and exactly the trap is working on monthly time frame. So therefore, if the monthly time frame the trap is working, weekly must be very, very weak. And if you look at the weekly charts, for a continuous period of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, Biocon is in trouble. 6 weeks it is coming down. So therefore, and if you look at look at this on the weekly time frame, all the parameters are coming down and sloping, angling downwards, which means the stock has exhausted its run. So it is temporarily, in a short term, temporarily it will come down most likely, unless it gets a support here. So therefore, in advance, that stock momentum has gone, and this is where, if you could have taken a put here. Once the stock, by the line, you could have drawn it in advance long back, and once this stock reaches here, you could have taken a put and made money. Now if you look at the daily chart for intraday purpose, let me change it to daily. Grandfather, father is hourly, and 15 minutes chart is your son. If you look at this in the entire scenario, this grandfather and father, purple line and green line, both of them has gone sideways. So therefore no momentum. While my current 15 minutes chart, this is the 50 this I have changed it here. So therefore, if you switch over to 15 minutes. Now if on the 15-minute chart also, if you see that the momentum has gone, right? Now 15 minutes momentum is going up, that means it is a sell on rise. So therefore on the 15 minutes chart, now this is a bullish, let me call the Stochastic setup. It has generated a buy signal. So what will you do? The prudent way to buy this is at this level, when you had a big pin bar here, so that means there is a big demand. So the best way to sell Biocon when it goes up, that is here at this level 53. In Stochastic obviously will give you the signals automatically, and even within the intraday we can always draw the resistance line very easily. So if you can draw the resistance line, uh, I will show you how to draw the line. So this is, if the stock is going up, what will be the stop? The stop would be here. Here at this level 398, the stock is at 395, so there is not much juice left in the stock. So therefore, your this is basically is going to be a trap. That is, the stock is going to reverse from which place? From this line, to this line. That is eventually, so basically stock has actually in the intraday level, stock normally as a visual look, this is the resistance. So from intraday level, stock will reverse from 397, and if you look at this particular indicator, it will, by the time it is 395. So therefore no fun in buying this, because I know that the grandfather is weak. So I will short it here 397, and I will take a put here at 397 for a journey again downwards to this level, where you have a good resistance, good support here. So therefore this is see, these are all support line. So therefore, this is how you should use our setup. And these setups are actually, this is why the screener has actually given you a signal to buy, and at the back of your mind that it is a stock to be shorted. So I will sell at the high. So exactly, you can sell at the high and then make money. So let me go through our courses that we offer. We offer the basic course, which covers candlesticks, key candlesticks pattern. You have 256 candlesticks pattern, but we only learn 8 to 10. That is enough for you to trade. And then along with that, we will also give you the software which we have already shown. You will get the software which is automatically, it generates signals. This software you will get. Along with that, you will have this golden road, and we'll tell you how to really trade effectively during your trade management. So in every level, the candlestick signals are all automatically generated, and our students know where to take the trade, and all the and the major candlestick patterns are flashed here, so that actually helps you to take a very good decision in the live trade, because in live trade you will not have too much time to really react. So therefore, this is a computer assisted technique which actually shows that when to buy and when to sell. And if you look at eventually that Biocon, this black line is our speedometer. So speedometer is already giving you a signal that, boss, I am weak, so I am trying to go up but I am weak, so therefore I will sell at the top, and then I can make good money. This is the first course. Along with this, cost you 25,000, and this is valid up to August. Then beyond August, there will be a price change, that's for sure. We also teach option strategy, where we do not teach complex things like Greek, implied volatility, open interest, gamma, alpha, etc. We only believe that we should be giving you very simple solution. In the market, only simple thing works. So therefore you will get simple solution to this option strategy. We also have a master course of Fibonacci, which is 1,50,000 at this moment. So where we will take the key pattern, and Fibonacci is the golden thing in life. So entire universe runs on Fibonacci, and this theory, if you know the stock market in and out. Along with that, we will also teach you Bollinger Band, which determines volatility. There are a lot of Bollinger Band theories, and we will learn only one or two theory, and that is good enough, because we are not here to give any examination. We are going to make money here. We have a price action course where every day we are seeing that we have gaps. So how to do graph trading and the volume part of it, that cost you 25,000. And in this particular case, of course, you should have a little bit of knowledge to take it. And our master course is on how to catch bull trap and bear trap. As I said, as I shown you, that in advance you will know that the stock is going to hit at a particular level. Why is it that it reverses from a particular level? So there is a reason, and that is where we exactly measure the bull trap and bear trap, so that you can really take a good trade. Because when the world does not know from where, world believes that, in case of Biocon, if you see that on the monthly chart, the entire world believed that nobody thought that it will come down. So therefore, when the entire world believed that it is going to go up, like the one which you have drawn. So I will show you once more. When the entire world knew that after this particular level, this particular level crossed, there is no look back, we said no. We could have drawn the bull trap here to really find out from where exactly at this particular level stock has bounced. So therefore, you when the swing changes, in advance that in September 2019 that the stock will go first level resistance is here 387, second level is 454, which eventually it went, and then it is coming down. So therefore, this is a very very big science. This is a very very big science, that by the science behind it. And if you know this particular thing, you actually know entire stock market, and you can turn it in your favor. So this is a very very big master course, and it does not really need lot of knowledge. Okay, so therefore you can always learn it. And these cool stuffs, if you learn, then stock market trading in stock market is very 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 easy. So therefore, see, traps are there everywhere in every scenario. Only thing is, you need to really identify the traps, and then you can trade in your favor. So this is basically the traps which basically you can measure. See, for example, this is a bear trap, because when everybody knows that at this particular level you had a strong support, and then stock broke the support. So once the stock broke the support, you exactly know when it is going down. You have drawn this bear trap line in advance, and you knew that the stock will be reversing from this level. It works magically at every level. So therefore, if you have this kind of power with you, then it's a bingo. So basically this is a school stuff, and only thing is, you will never get it anywhere in the market. So this is how we trade in our academy. So if you want, you can participate in this. And we also sell the stock show indicators. It is basically, we say it, key trading tools. These key trading tools are very very important. These if you are part of stock show, then we will give you at a discount the stock screener, which you have seen here. This particular screener, I will show you the screener. This particular screener, which actually empowers you during the live market, which stock is now into momentum, and then you can trade. And this particular screener we sell on standalone basis at 20,000 rupees. For our student, it's a 50% discount of 10,000 rupees, and we don't sell in a loose manner. and this scanner, and we have another type 2 scanner, that's divergence part, and this particular scanner, this has just recently developed, and I'll show you this scanner. This particular scanner, where exactly I know that, I will show you here. I will now I exactly know, I have the ability to really change the time frame here and automatically know how the stock is available, how, what is the position, should I buy or sell. This will cost you 10,000 rupees. So this I will update it here, multi time frame, multi time frame, different things. So this is not here in the magic area. So there are various other skinners which sell, and if you are part of stock show, you will definitely get discount. So thank you very much, hope you will enjoy this video, and see you again next week. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck, and keep a watch on Biocon. Thank you.